Hello guys, welcome back. I'm going to show here how you start to add scroll bar on Figma. First, we have to start to realize something that we can start to understand on it through our progress. First, what we're gonna do is about to go for add a scrolling bar. Okay, so this really about to go for the vertical or horizontal scrolling. Maybe we can create a smaller frame which is really on this one, and then it's about to be through. So about this situation through this part, as you can see, and this about to go for the prototype and overflow. Okay, click on it and then click on overflow over here, and then make it horizontal or vertical or on this moment that you want on it. And this will be really satisfied with the vertical thing that we can start through it, as you can understand on this progress. And this will be really about to make it on the presentation. Thank you guys.